The concept of tense in grammar is completely different from the notion of time. The word tense refers to a specific form of a verb. That's it. It doesn't mean just because you want to talk about your future plans, you cannot use present tense. I'm about to do this, I'm going to do that. You're familiar with these expressions. It also doesn't mean just because you want to talk about the present, you cannot use past tense. The expression "it's time" can be used to talk about the present using past tense. It's almost 10:30. It's time I went to bed. I have an early flight tomorrow. It's time I started packing. It's getting late. It's time I went home. We can also use past tense to sound less direct, a little polite, a bit more formal. For example, Master Wayne, I thought you might like to know that Master Kent and Miss Lane have arrived. Then we can talk about hypothetical situations using past forms with a present meaning. I wish I had more time. I could stay and finish this book, but I have to attend a few lectures today. Then, suppose you met your younger self. What piece of advice would you give him now? Okay, as you can see, we can use past tense in many ways to talk about the present. Please click the like button before you leave, it will help me out immensely. And one more thing, I take preposition tests on my blog every week. Just check it out, you'll find a link in the description. I think you will find it interesting.